Let's learn tenses in this video. Present tense. Let's learn present tense first. Simple present tense. I walk. Present continuous tense. I am walking. Present perfect tense. I have walked. Present perfect continuous tense. I have been walking. Now comes past tense. Simple past. I walked. Past continuous tense. I was walking. Past perfect tense. I had walked. Past perfect continuous tense. I had been walking. I had been walking. Now comes future tense. Simple future. I will walk. Future continuous tense. I will be walking. Future perfect tense. I will have walked. Future perfect continuous tense. I will have been walking.